But I'll tell you this, I have never, ever, ever seen Sam smile like she smiles when she's around. In fact, Nick, of all of the things that you do and all of your amazing qualities, to me, far and away the most impressive is your ability to make my dog smile.
My job, Jim.
The support of a loving family and community can make all the difference. So when that first big fight comes, please pick up the phone. Offer a little guidance, maybe some Captain Morgan, or a tall White Claw. By the power vested in me by the Universal Life Church in the County of Washoe, I now pronounce you spiritually and legally united. Nick, you may kiss the bride.
Her decision to fall in love with and marry Nick, she didn't need anyone. She didn't need to look outside herself. She didn't even talk to anyone else. She made up her mind, and that was it. Her heart has always told her that he was the one for her. But you guys have said you would have always made it easy for Nick. So the Puzey family is very tight knit and a little sarcastic, and we are fiercely protective. We are fiercely protective of our single day.
Yes, you are.
So just the fact that Nick has stuck around through all of the barbs that get thrown around by the Puzey crew, that alone shows his love and loyalty for us.
Thanks, guys.
So because of that, we are so welcome to welcome you into our family.
Pleasure's all mine, Dad.